Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today it is Wednesday and I actually have the day off work. So I thought I would film just a little what I ate today, kind of vlog style, because yeah, through the middle of the week I like to eat as super clean and healthy as possible. And I know you guys really love to see like what I eat in a day because it gives you guys ideas. So yeah, here we are. I'm about to show you my breakfast. I've already had a lemon water this morning and a coffee. I just have instant coffee with almond milk, but yeah, now it's time for brekkie. So last night I actually made some bircher muesli and I've never made it before. Like yesterday was the first time and it tasted so good. So I think I found my new favorite breakfast recipe. So I've just got it here. You have to let it sit overnight. I've got half a cup of rolled oats, some shredded coconut, some fruit and nut mix, and some apple juice. So for my apple juice, I like to use the brand Nudie because it's literally only apples. There's no added sugar, there's no concentrates or anything like that. Apparently the whole bottle has 10 apples in it. So I just use half a cup of this and let it soak overnight, and oh, it's so good guys. Like, highly recommend trying it out. Obviously like apple juice still has sugar in it. There's no added sugar, it's just from the apples, but still you got to be a little bit careful if you're trying to watch like your sugar intake, because sugar is still sugar in the body. So I probably won't be having it every morning, but just for like the next couple of days I'm really excited for something different because I literally eat rolled oats every morning for breakfast. So I thought I'd try something new. But yeah, this apple juice is so good. I also love the orange juice from the brand Nudie. And then when I'm ready to eat it, I just top it with some YoPro protein vanilla yogurt. Oh. Oh no, it's already open and it just went all over the top that I literally just put on. Good job, Brittany, good job. Yeah, I use half of that because I don't really need like a whole container of yogurt for my breakfast. So I used the other half yesterday and I'm gonna use the other half today. I really love this yogurt because yeah, it's got no artificial sweeteners, no added sugar or anything like that. It's all just like good healthy stuff for you. So yeah, that is my breakfast. I'm really hungry, so sorry if this clip is super weird. I feel like it's already weird and I'm 2 minutes into my video. But I'm just gonna eat this and then I'm gonna edit my video and I'll check back in with you guys when I have some lunch. Alright, so it's been a couple hours now. My brain is mush from studying all day. So it's been a couple hours later now and it's now time for lunch. I just have a meal prepped meal, I guess. So I made this honey mustard chicken and like green vegetables 2 days ago, I think, on Sunday. Not Sunday, Monday. Yeah, I'm obsessed with honey mustard chicken right now, guys. It's so good. But yeah, I just have honey mustard chicken and the green veg. But then I also just cooked up some rice because we ran out, so I had to go to the shops and buy some. But yeah, just cooked up some brown rice and I'm just going to heat this up, probably in the microwave. No, it's not that great for you, but it's just the easiest, most convenient, wow. It's just the easiest and most convenient way to warm up my food. So I'm going to pop the chicken and the veg in the microwave, put some brown rice on my plate, and that will be my lunch. So it's been a couple of hours since I last vlogged. It's actually basically nighttime and dinner time now, but I did have an afternoon snack. I just didn't really feel like filming it. I've had a little bit of a weird afternoon, I guess you could say. Just a lot of anxiety and a lot of things happening. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know, but I don't want to bore you guys in this video. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I did have, and I had some almonds and a banana. And now I'm just going to go for a walk along the beach to clear my head. I really wanted to do like a really good leg session today, but I'm not feeling up for it. So I think just a nice leisurely stroll along the beach will help me feel a lot better. and then when I get home I'll make some dinner. I don't know if I'll really film like me talking while I make it, because I honestly just feel like being silent. So I'll film what I make. I'm just making sweet potato, chicken and veg as usual, but I'll probably just play some music over it or something. But yeah. Home now, as you can see from the hooded person in the back. That is so creepy. Say good day.
Gross.
No,
Have you been cutting this with a knife, Brett?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. When do I ever cook? It wasn't me. It must have been Oreo. Hey.
Hey.
So I just finished cooking up our dinner, which, are you happy you didn't have to cook dinner for once?
Yeah, I guess.
He always cooks dinner, so this time I cooked dinner. We've got honey mustard chicken again. Yes, I had it for lunch and for dinner because we are obsessed. It is so good. So I just put a teaspoon of white vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of seeded mustard. And then we got sweet potato mash and some broccoli. So yeah, pretty healthy dinner, and we're excited to eat up. I guess I'll end the vlog now because we never really eat dessert. If we do have dessert, it'll be some Easter eggs because it's like a couple of days after Easter and we've kind of been living on chocolate. I did have two Easter eggs already today. Didn't really show those because it was before I started vlogging. I had them in the morning, which is probably even worse. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below to be notified when I post a new video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Weirdo.